Hey guys, Dr. Bryan here. In this video series we're doing on the last 90 days of 2019, I wanted to talk to you today about your exercise and how it's important to change things up. You know, if you want to find what will help you get healthy, try a lot of different things. Maybe the elliptical trainer, maybe getting out and walking, maybe going to the gym a little bit and working out in the pool. Find different things you like to do though. If you get bored, you'll stop. And that's the thing, is you want to try to build healthy habits now so that going into 2020, you're going to feel better and be more healthy. So we want you to try to mix things up. Also, if you're walking, people think, well, walking, maybe that's not a really good exercise to burn fat or lose weight or be healthy. But when you start to walk, you can put the little weights in your hands. You put these little weights in your hands, you'll increase your cardiovascular output large without having to run and damage your joints that way. So that's one thing to think about. If you're swimming, you can use fins or you can use paddles for your hands so that you'll increase cardiovascular workout that way. There's tons of ways to work out and lots of things you can do that are fun. So try to mix things up, find things that you like, and vary it throughout the week. And if you have any questions about any sort of exercise routine that you want to start, be sure to talk to us before you do. We can do a health assessment with you, talk to you about different choices you might make for your body type and for your goals that you have for 2020. Remember, just got to get started. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So get out there and start with your exercise routine. Let us know if you have any questions at 614-436-3870. Also, we are going to have, throughout the month of December, we're going to do a special on our weight loss program, so you can actually get the program, learn how it's going to work, so when you begin the first part of the year, you'll be ready to go. And one more thing, we're starting our sock and shoe drive here this week for the children out in Montana that we help take care of, the Native American children. And we ask that you bring in unwrapped shoes and socks in new condition so we can use those as Christmas presents for the kids. They really appreciate our gifts every year, and we appreciate you helping us out with that. So again, 436-3870. If you have any questions, have a great day, make it a great week. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.